Happy New Year! How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to 2025. I know hadn't made a post last week. This is going to be a pretty short one, so if you're expecting car content today, sorry. But I just want to check in with you guys. Hope everybody's holidays were Hope everyone's holidays were really awesome. Everybody spent time with their loved ones and just enjoying some much needed time off from work. But now that the new year's in, it's showtime, right? It's all down to business. Reason we don't have any car content today is because I got not a lot of things, but quite a few things on the way for us to not only do on the car, and we have a lot of events coming up this year, right? So let's talk a little bit about what we're doing. Tomorrow I have some more tires coming up because we have an event out in Tucson on the 11th. We're gonna rock that out, go out and drive. It's gonna be our first event of the year. I'm really looking forward to it. It's been, 3 weeks since Fuel Fest, and I'm already itching to get back out. So we're gonna get out and drive. Friday, we're getting new hubs for the car. They're in the mail right now. We're converting to 5x114. They're dual drilled, so the fronts are probably gonna stay the same for a little while until I can figure out what wheels I'm gonna be switching to. Now that will be 5x114. We have a lot broader options as far as selection and fitment is concerned. And I definitely wanna do that just because it'll help make the car not only cohesive, but I can play around with tire fitment and wheel fitment and figure out how to make this 170 horsepower last, because we put the LS on the back burner at least just for the time being. It's going to be a couple months, maybe a month or two before we get the block to the machine shop, because we have another big thing coming for the car. That's going to be the roll cage. I placed an order last week for Cage Kits kit. Not sure when it's going to be here. They say anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks. Just because everything's back ordered, I made to order. However, Black Friday sale, I gotta imagine they got pretty swamped. So I'm not expecting the cage for at least 2 months. But that is coming. We are gonna start tandeming this year. I told you guys a video or two ago that was the next big goal, and it's gonna happen. So aside from that, we have one other thing that I'm gonna go check out this next weekend that's gonna help make the season a whole lot easier and just makes it all financially make a lot more sense. And then coming up in the next couple days or the next week, I have a few announcements regarding program. That I guess that's what we're calling it. A few announcements regarding how I'm able to make a lot of what I want to do this year work. So everybody stay tuned for that. Aside from that, we're gonna do a little bit more painting soon. We have a can and a half left of the base coat in steel blue metallic, and we do have a sunroof delete coming. So that, whenever it gets here, we're gonna get that done. So like I know I was talking a little bit like there's not a whole lot we can do to my car. That's still true. It's gonna be a cage. We're gonna have to delete the sunroof. We're gonna convert the car to 5x114 for better fitment. But then for the most part, after that, aside from the LS engine build content, realistically, it's just gonna be driving events. We're trying to get a lot of events in this year, so should be a lot of fun. However, I know we've only done a couple videos on Nisha's car, her project. We have some things coming for her E46. Now she's going a completely different route. She's not driving it on the track. This is her first time having a project car and building it how she wants. So this is all gonna be her, but it's gonna be much more like a nice, comfortable cruiser, go to car meets, car shows, cars and coffee, that kind of stuff. So one day we might get her into driving on the track, but for now, we're just going to build her car. So we have a set of coilovers coming for hers. Once the car is settled and lowered, then we can figure out wheel fitment and measure things, and then actually order a set of something nice on that, and then start going through all the bushings and making sure the exterior matches and everything. I know you guys probably remember, but the interior is very clean, black on black. So we're gonna try and keep it simple, clean, tasteful. That way she can just enjoy it for a while. But without anything else to say, I'm super stoked for the new year. 2025 is gonna be awesome. 2024 was crazier than I could have ever expected it would be. So I'm really excited to get back out and drive, do some more work to the car, get it as dialed in as it's gonna be before we swap it, and then just drive as much as we possibly can. Sorry, I'm being like super active on socials. I've just been exhausted. We took a week trip up to Montana for Christmas and saw family, and it was a really good time, but I'm exhausted this week and I still have to work. So that being said, hope again, everybody had an awesome holiday. Happy New Year. Can't wait to see what's in store and where we end up at the end of 2025. And make sure to stay tuned for next week's video because it should be a really fun one.